Hi Grant, in this small video, just how to open the link. If you click on it and nothing happens, you can right click and either you can copy the link or open with Chrome. It should be the same options on a Windows PC. So I copy the link and I'm pasting it. So you can see it pasted. Press enter. Um, then it'll show once you mouse over the file, um, you have this window and you can have it different sizes. So then if you want it to fit the width of the screen, you can do that. If you want a presentation mode, you can do that. The only thing you can't zoom. So if you want to zoom, you have to change it to actual size. So on actual size, now it allows you to zoom in and look at all the information and breakdowns. So you can um, see through it as deep as you want as I go through these videos. So I'll create a couple of more videos for you to just give you some context of what I'm trying to do, and hopefully this helps you create a decision and I can get some type of approval. Thank you again, and we'll go to the next video.